Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This basically is something I've set up for people like you to subscribe to for free, where I'm going to put and post very useful information, whether it's repost of current trends that I've found, whether it is information that I've researched, or whether it is just stuff that I have been researching for a current client or something, and just information that's really interesting for people that are in the food industry. So please have a look at the videos. And if you need or want any help or any type of video producing that's not on the web, on YouTube, then please message me. I do my best to post as frequently as I have time. So please subscribe so you get automatic notifications of new videos, new content when I publish it. So enjoy, learn, and I look forward to getting your replies and your comments. Thank you.